sit down.
No, let her pick it up.
All right.
No, you can't play with this anymore. Hello, strong woman. Did they let you ask? Working. Where are you going? Alana, can I sit down?
The paparazzi. Little Molly.
Whoa. Can I sit down?
Morgan, go see Alma. Morgan.
Oh, come on, baby. Oh, no.
It's okay. Your money, it's okay.
Alana,
It's all
where
right.
am I going to sit?
It's okay.
No, I have 2 other chairs for you, Aunt Susu. Oh, thank you.
It's okay. You like it?
Take that.
Did you see what her shirt says? Joy, of course. I love it.
That's the only joy in her life.
Hey, get down, please.
Alana, where are you going? Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy?
He's there.
Which is why when she didn't close the gate, she didn't sit downstairs.
Yeah.
But she's sad. Well, I think somebody saw her. Oh, somebody else, and then I went. Are you being nice to Klaus? You be nice to Klaus. Look at my name is Klaus.